Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, a special welcome to you. My name is Christina and I create beauty, lifestyle, and affordable fashion videos mostly, but I've also started to dabble into home improvement because my husband and I just bought a house in January. It's new to us and we've been doing a ton of home renovations, such as installing a new kitchen island. So if you're interested in seeing how this turned out, then just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so here is what we have right now for the island. It is so beautiful. We are so excited with how it is turning out. Today we're getting our top installed by Lowe's actually, and they have been really great to work with. We've only worked with them for the top, so we are gonna go ahead and go with this really beautiful quartz. It's pretty much white, but it does have some gray movement, very subtle. We didn't want to do anything too crazy because we already have like crazy countertops from the previous owners, kind of an Oreo look going on. So we wanted to make sure that this was a lot more subtle. Here's the front. It's so beautiful. We're so happy that we did get the electrical work done, as you guys saw. All of this was trenched up. It was a hot mess, but now we have electricity running through this island on both sides. So I think it's gonna make a really awesome workspace. I'm really excited. It's 7 feet, but you can tell like we still have a ton of extra room. Let me go ahead and give you a look into the drawers. The back, it's all 3 of these look the same, these cabinets. They all have 3 shelves. I have to clean it still. That's all just the cabinetry dust. But yeah, so they're all like this, 3 shelves. I think that this is going to be really great for just extra storage. Actually, right here, I did go ahead and I already put some of my cookbooks there. I thought that was just like a cute little spot. And then around here, we have double trash can, which is always really nice. I'm not sure what I'll do with this one right here, but we have a cabinet here. This is good. Oh, hello. We have a little guest. But yes, this is gonna be my spice drawer. I love all the space and I like how deep it is too. For this middle space, this is where I'm gonna put all my kitchen gadgets. I am so excited for this. It's so open, it's so deep, it's wonderful. Right now, I've somehow managed to stuff it all in here, and it's kind of a hot mess express in there, but that'll be really nice to have it all laid out. And then the middle one and the bottom drawer are the same. It's just really deep, which is so nice. I think I'm gonna do maybe some pots and pans on one of them, and then the other one do some, I don't know, maybe like Tupperware. We have this little guy, not sure what to do with that. And then this, I'm gonna take that shelf out, and then this is gonna be where all my cookie sheets go. That was actually a non-negotiable, I needed that. Then right here, we're gonna take this out, and then we're gonna put a huge air fryer in there. I'm excited for that, so that has a home. And then right here, it's just another drawer. Not sure what I'll do with that either. So there is plenty of room to store things in here, which is exactly what we wanted. We just really wanted it to be functional, and I think we accomplished that. Alright you guys, that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. That way I know you like these types of videos and it really helps out my channel
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. I do upload every single Friday. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and I will talk to you guys in next week's video. Bye!